In this video, I'll be helping you with the ALEKS problem type called greatest common factor of two multivariate monomials. In this example, we're asked to find the greatest common factor of these two expressions, and I can see that each of these has a coefficient and a variable portion. So starting with those coefficients, I can find the greatest common factor between 9 and 18 the same way that I always have by listing out the factors. 1 and 9 multiply to be 9, or 3 and 3. 18 can be either 1 and 18, those are both factors. 2 and 9 are factors, or 3 and 6. By listing out all the factors of 9 and all the factors of 18, I can tell that the largest number they have in common is 9. So the coefficient portion of our greatest common factor is 9. And then moving to the variable portion, we're looking for common factors, so it has to be variables that they both share, that they have in common. And when I look at the u's, I would say yes, they have a common u, but how many do they have in common? They both have at least one u, they both have at least a u squared, and they both have at least a u to the third power. So the highest power of u that I have is u to the third. That would be part of the greatest common factor. Moving to the next variable, y, the second monomial doesn't have a y. So there will be no y's in common. The y variable will not be a part of a common factor. But if I move to the v's, they both have v's. They both have at least one v. They both have at least two v's. They both have at least 5 v's. But they don't both have 6 v's. The maximum number of v's that they have in common is 5. So v to the fifth would be a part of that greatest common factor as well. So this would be the greatest common factor between these two monomials.